What I want, you've got, and it might be hard to handle, but like a flame that burns the candle feeds the flame. What I've got,
ay, sara ko na.
thoughts and dreams that scatter.
Parang mahirap.
Sabi ko sa wakas, maaalipin ko rin si JL.
How I can explain. Well, you
Pipilitin buo ang pamilya kasi ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay hindi pwedeng paghiwalay ng tao.
Buti yun agad.
on a night when black dreams become a screamer, when they're messing with the dreamer, I can laugh it in the face.
Ang suit ko.
Tinapos na kaagad.
Hindi, baka lumabat kasi. Love you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Pa ako eh.
Okay lang yan.
Oh yeah, you make my dreams come true.
Oo nga, ayun o.
Well, you.
Oops. Dito sa kabila. Oops. Ano kaya yan? With this gift, we can finally start our vlogging career. Ano kaya to?
At first glance, it's just a gadget. But for me, it's a symbol. You are the most talented, passionate, and hardworking person I know. Thank
Yung
you.
cooking vlog.
This is my second screen.
Thank you so much, baby.
Thank you so much, baby. I love you.
Love you so much.
I can't wait to see you.
See you later.
See you later, alligator.
You make my dreams come true.
Thank you sa pagpunta sa wedding day ko. I know you guys are very busy. Lahat kayong mga professional. I appreciate it. Sobrang thankful ako na nandito kayo.
I hope you know that you make my dreams come true.
Parang nananaginip pa rin ako kahit kahapon. So I'm just very excited. This is not the destination, but it's just the beginning for Angel and I.
Hello, my friend, we meet again. It's been a while.
I love how you smile. I love how you make me smile. I love how you shine in the midst of the crowd.
In my heart are memories of perfect love that you gave.
Talagang, alam mo yun, naka-prepare na talaga yung sarili ko sa araw na to. And
I vow not only to love you unconditionally, through joy and trials, through laughter and tears, but to choose you again and again with patience and grace.
It feels so good to reunite within yourself and within your mind.
I already know that si Angel talaga is the woman I'm going to marry.
When you are with me, I'm free, I'm careless, I believe above all the else we will find.
I love you, babe.
My eyes
because you didn't just become the love of my life, you also become my best friend. Ano mo, sobrang sarap talaga sa feeling na makita na lahat ng pinagpe-pray mo, sobrang nakikita mo na, nandyan na sa harapan mo.
It was my first time to attend a monthly meeting. And it was her first time to attend a monthly meeting. During the pandemic, bumalik lang ako talaga because of the pandemic. Who would have known?
So, for Shally, kanino kaya to? Ate Mikey! Bumalik! Choir kasi ako sa iglesia, so sa church. Bale, ang aga.
Despite the fact na kahit I'd stay up until 1 a.m. after drafting a pleading.
So, bale, sinusundo niya talaga ako kahit na kakagising niya lang.
I have never loved anyone as I love her.
Mag-iiyak ka. Kanina mo umuwi. Po.
I'm the only one who called her Angel, and I introduced her to my family as Angel. So for the long time, I mean, people eventually learned to call her Angel. Because she is my angel. Yun! Yun, sir! Yun! Man, Nate! Carlo! JL! Doc, it's a special gift. Okay? Ha, Doc?
Thank you for being not only my bridesmaid, but also my best friend and my sister. Wait. Hold it here.
Hindi ko akalain na nandito na kami yan.
Life is better with her.
Yun, basta mahalan lang ha. Kita mo daw kami ni Tito. So, yun lang, ganun-ganun lang. Or lampasan-pasan na.
Love you guys! For everything. Thank you for taking care of me. You know, hindi naman ako masyadong ma-words, pero alam mo naman na mahal ko kayo. Thank you sa paghatid sundo sa akin, pupuntang Kapilya kahit 4 a.m. Thank you for all the meals we shared. Thank you for making it up to me when we had fights. Thank you for making sure I have someone to talk to, and thank you for bringing joy to my life.
Sinend mo yung picture na si Angel yung kumuha of you reviewing. Tapos naalala ko reply ko, sabi ko, she was there during your dog days. So reminder yun na during one of your more difficult times, nandun siya, men.
She knows how much I love her, and I'm willing to do anything and everything for her.
Before I called you mine, oh, I can't believe.
Yung mahal naman niya yung pamilya ko. Yun talaga yung the best. Sobrang saya ko na talagang minamahal niya yung family ko, yung parents ko, na kung paano ko sila mahal eh. Yeah.
I get to love you.
Papa, for everything. Thank you. I love you. Okay lang.
Ang tagamahal ka namin ni Papa na malalaman mo din ang pagmamahal namin sa iyo. Ha?
I get to love you. I get to love you. I get to
You may kiss your wife.
I get to love you. They say love is a journey. I promise that I'll never leave. And when it's too
Nasi ako'y maging mapagmahal at matapat na asawa sa kasaganaan at sa kahirapan hanggang sa papaghiwalayin tayo ng kamatayan.
I get to love you. I get to love you. I get to love you.
Hindi ko siya pababayaan talaga. Gusto ko palagi siyang maayos. Gusto ko palagi siyang safe. Gusto ko parang kung pagod na pagod siya sa trabaho, uuwi siya na masaya, na panatag yung loob niya.
Today, I give you my heart, my faith, and my forever. I'm yours now and always.
Kung maliligaw, ikaw ang linaw, di ka bibitawan. Sa sigwa o araw, dilim o bughaw,
I look forward to spending forever with you. I love you so much, baby. Hindi ko talaga makakalimutan ang araw na pinagpanata natin ng araw na ito. September 20, 2022. At ngayon, eto na baby. Ibinigay na ang higit pa sa hiniling sa ating dalangin. Mahal na mahal kita, Lucky Gio Gutierrez. I love you so much, baby.
I love you, babe.
tayo ay babalik.